Good evening, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Apil Sir. I am going to solve the exercise 1.4. Come to question number 7 here. You see, they provide A, B, C, and D. These four sets they provide, and we need to find this one. Yes, A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C, all those things. Here all the sets A, B, C, D are in set builder form. So first of all, you try to write this set into roster form. Okay, so in the first set you see A. Yes, so what will be the elements of this set? Here you see x is a natural number. That means this set capital A will contain all the natural numbers. So that means here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Yes, so this is our A. So what will be B here? You see, what will be B? You see, x is an even natural numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Yes, this is our even natural number. And here you see C, x is a what natural number? That means the C will contain here what natural number? That means what natural number means 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Yes, these are the what natural number. Okay, now in the set D here, x is a prime number. Yes, so you see what will be D here. Yes, D will consist all the prime numbers, and which are the prime numbers, guys? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 numbers. So these are the sets A, B, C, D here. These are the sets here. Just you to be A intersection B. A intersection B will consist all the common elements. So which are the common elements of this one? Is there is any common element here? You see, is there is any common element here? You see these 2, 4 and then 6. Here you see 2, 4, 6. These are the common elements. So here this will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Yes, and this set is nothing. This is the set of even natural number, and this is nothing. This is equal to B. So here A intersection B will be here B. Yes, and similarly what will be A intersection C? What will be A intersection? You see here, you see what are the common elements of this A and C here. You see here 1, here 1 also, there 3. Yes, so that means this one 1, 3, 5, 7, all the elements will be common. So that means here will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Yes, and this is nothing. This is equal to C here. You see all the what natural number here? That means this is nothing, C. So A intersection C, A intersection D here. You see A intersection D. So just you take the D. So you try to find the common elements. Here you see 2 is a present, so 2 will be common. Here 3 is also common. Here 5 will be common elements. Yes, again similarly here 7 will be common elements. So here what will be the numbers? These will be 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Yes, and this is nothing. This is equal to D here. Yes, so A intersection D will be D here. Okay, and similarly what will be B intersection C here? What will be B intersection C? You see, if you compare this one, you see, is there is any common element of this B intersection C? No, there is no common element. So this B intersection C will be 5. There is no common element. And here what will be B intersection D? Here you see B intersection D. Here you see, is there is any common element of this one? This B and this D. Is there is any common element? Yes. Which is the common element? Only 2 is the common element. Yes, only 2 is the common element in between A, B and D. So this set will be only this one. This consists only 2. Okay, and here you see what will be C intersection D. What will be C intersection D? That means which are the common element of these D and C. Here you see this is our C. Yes, this is our C and this is our D. Then which are the common elements here? You see this 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 will be common. Again you see 11 will be common here. That means D intersection C will consist here all those elements here. What will be this one? 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Yes, so this will be the required C intersection D. Yes, so hope all of you can solve this type of question. Okay, thank you.